no more. He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more. He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more.
The area's certainly deteriorated somewhat. I'm born and bred in Smethwick, but it's not quite the same place as it was. But you just carry on with life and get on with what you're doing. And I certainly don't want to give up the job because I do enjoy the job.
Well, we bought this house in '99, and that time this area was nice. We bought it because I was pregnant then. I thought it would be nice for the kids to play in the park. But things changed a lot since then. I'm not there to take the kids to the park no more. So why do I live here? I haven't got any money to move somewhere else.
He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more. He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more. He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more. He's been beating on me and I ain't gonna take no more. This road is a really nice road to live on. People are lovely, it's a peaceful road and it's like a really nice place to live on Victoria Park Road. I live in a nice house, a 3-bedroom house with a lovely mum and I got my dog and I've got my cat and I've got some goldfish, so it's like a packed house. So my name's Amir and that is what I like about Smethwick and where I live. Dante, what do you like about the community you live in and Smethwick?
The community and friends and the community I live in. It's big and we get to play around the back of the sheds.
Brandon, what do you like about Smethwick and the community you live in?
It's big and I've got lots of friends to play with.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
I've got a 6-year-old boy and he's got the school just around the corner, and there's a mosque around the corner as well, and obviously the big Asda store. We've got hospitals, everything is about 10 minutes radius, I think 10 minutes drive. So everything is really suited to us, especially people like myself, having a family, children and so on, so it's great.
And I've got lots of friends to play with. And I've got lots of friends to play with.